How to set up a Cash App account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can set up a Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to set up a Cash App account, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App, and basically this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see over here. So let the Cash application load up successfully over here. Now you can use your mobile number. If you don't want to use a mobile number, you can use your email address as well. Just make sure to enter the email address that you want to maybe log in or maybe create an account with over here. Then once you've done that, you can simply enter the email address, tap the next option. Then it will send a verification code to that email here. We simply want to make sure to get the verification code from our email. So let's just open our email and switch our account to hopefully get the verification code. As you get the verification code, if you have already set up using this account, you will be asked to enter your Cash App PIN. But if you haven't, you will be asked to choose a Cash App PIN and then enter your other details like your first name and your last name, and then you will be able to go ahead and then log into your account. This way you can set up a Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.